Quick Start Guide. Mission Cholesterol Meter. Part 1. What is in the box? The contents include capillary droppers, safety lancets, user's manual, cholesterol wellness meter, portable bag, test strips, code chip, 4 AAA batteries. Part 2. Before testing. Installing the batteries. Push the tab on the battery cover and open it. Place 4 AAA batteries into the compartment, ensuring the polarity is aligned correctly. Press the cover back into place until you hear it click securely. Coding the meter. Each time you use a new box of test strips, insert the new code chip included in the box into the meter. Make sure the code number matches the number printed on the test strip. Setting the meter. Hold the power button for about 2 seconds to enter the setup mode. Press the right button twice, then press the power button to enter unit settings. Use the left or right button to switch between milligrams per deciliter and millimoles per liter, and press the power button to confirm. Use the left or right button to switch between 24-hour and 12-hour format, then press the power button to confirm. Use the left or right button to switch between month, day, year, and day, month, year, date formats, then press the power button to confirm. Use the left or right button to adjust the year, month, day, and time, then press the power button to confirm. Inserting the test strip. Insert 1 test strip into the meter. The top left corner of the screen will blink, indicating the meter is waiting for the blood sample. Part 3. Blood collection. Preparing the finger. Wash your hands with warm water. Gently press your palm and finger to help blood flow. Use the safety lancet to make the fingertip puncture. Gently wipe off the first drop of blood. Collecting the blood sample. Allow enough blood to flow from the fingertip. Use the capillary dropper to draw the blood sample. Do not squeeze the top of the capillary tube. Ensure the blood reaches the black fill line. Keep the capillary dropper flat while collecting the blood sample. Part 4. Add sample and read. Applying the blood sample. Hold the capillary dropper and gently drop the sample onto the test strip. Make sure the strip completely absorbs the blood for proper testing. Reading the result. Wait for less than 2 minutes. Your total cholesterol, HDL, triglycerides, total cholesterol to HDL ratio, LDL results will appear on the display. Possible reasons for inaccurate results. Insufficient blood sample. Keeping the sample at the correct volume helps ensure accurate results. Dirty LED lamp. Keep LED lamp area clean. If the LED lamp is dirty, lightly wipe it with a soft, clean, dry cloth. Need help? Contact us at info@Mediassistor for assistance. Mission Cholesterol Meter.